Good morning, sir. Good morning, classmates. I am Wilson Sido, and I am from Group 2 Reporter. And my assigned topic is the two extreme examples of indifference curves. So we have the perfect substitute and perfect complements. First one, perfect substitutes, which is the two goods with straight line and different indifference curves are perfect substitutes. So, ang kining perfect substitutes is kato ni mga goods nga easily substituted or pwede ra nato dali-dali ra nato mailisan without losing our satisfaction sa kana nga goods. So ang mga example na is ang butter and margarine. So kung walay butter, so pwede ka mag-substitute og margarine. And another example is Coke and Pepsi. Kung walay Pepsi, pwede ka sa Pepsi, pwede ka sa Coke. And then kung walay apple, pwede ka mag-orange. So yan ang mga goods or products ang sa perfect substitutes, which is dali ra siya mapulihan pero dili mawala ang atoang level of satisfaction. And example sa bus is sa perfect substitute is ang nickels ug ang dimes, which is same ra sila cents. So kung wala yung nickels, so pwede po siya sa dimes. And next is ang two extreme examples of indifference curves. Ang ikaduha is ang perfect complements. Two goods with straight angle and difference curves are perfect complements. So, kining perfect complements is kato ni mga goods nga kinahanglan na ay kapares kay so dili pwedeng useless ang isa ka product kung wala siya kapares. So, ang example ang best example is ang left shoes and right shoes. So, kung dili ka pwede mo palit og shoes nga sa wala ra, kinahanglan paliton nimo ang both left and right shoes. So, morning nasa example, left shoes and right shoes na as you can see sa graph. So next is ang optimization, what the consumer chooses. So consumers wants to get the combination of goods on the highest possible indifference curve. However, the consumer must also end up on or below his budget constraints. So consumers, so gusto mong kita mga consumers wants to get more goods and services, goods nga atong i-consume, but we have to consider also our budget constraints kung unsa ragi makaya pod sa ato ang budget. So that's all for my assigned topic. Thank you.